The world of touring motorcycles has always been dominated by machines that combine comfort, technology, and performance, but for 2026, Honda has taken things to an entirely new level with the reinvention of the Goldwing Trike. For decades, the Goldwing has been the flagship touring bike, a symbol of long-distance riding luxury, but this new trike version is not just a conversion or a third-party build. It is a ground-up, factory-engineered masterpiece that redefines what a three-wheeled touring motorcycle can be. With its futuristic design, advanced safety features, and powerful yet efficient engine, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike is built for those who crave open-road adventure without compromise. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking for the stability and comfort of three wheels without losing the thrill of motorcycling, this machine stands out as a game-changer in the touring segment. At first glance, the Goldwing Trike immediately captures attention with its bold stance and aerodynamic design. Honda's engineers have reimagined the classic Goldwing shape and adapted it to a wider, more stable three-wheel platform. The front end retains that unmistakable Goldwing DNA with sharp LED headlights, a sculpted fairing, and a large, electronically adjustable windscreen that provides excellent wind protection at highway speeds. The rear, however, is where the transformation becomes truly evident. Instead of a traditional two-wheel setup, the wide and muscular rear fenders flare out to house a pair of massive 18-inch alloy wheels, giving the Trike a road-dominating presence. The rear bodywork has been sculpted to flow seamlessly with the bike's overall design, avoiding the bulky add-on look that many Trikes suffer from. Honda has managed to blend form and function beautifully, creating a touring machine that is as elegant as it is practical. Beneath this striking exterior lies the heart of the Goldwing Trike, Honda's legendary 1833cc flat-six engine. This liquid-cooled powerhouse has long been the benchmark in smoothness and reliability, but for 2026, it has been refined further to deliver improved fuel efficiency, cleaner emissions, and a broader torque curve. Riders can expect around 125 horsepower and 130 pound-feet of torque, providing effortless acceleration even when fully loaded with passenger and luggage. What makes this engine truly special is not just its output, but its delivery. The flat-six layout ensures perfect balance, reducing vibrations to near zero and making long-distance cruising incredibly comfortable. Whether you're rolling through city traffic or eating up miles on the open interstate, the Goldwing Trike responds with power that feels both commanding and refined. The transmission setup is equally impressive. Riders can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission for those who want full control or Honda's advanced 7-speed dual-clutch transmission (DCT) for a more relaxed, automatic-like experience. The DCT has been fine-tuned to offer seamless gear changes, adapting to riding style and terrain. For slow-speed maneuvers, especially important on a trike, Honda includes a walking mode that allows the machine to creep forward or backward under precise control, eliminating the stress of parking or navigating tight spots. This feature is particularly useful for riders who may not have the confidence to balance a heavy touring bike but still want the full touring experience. Handling is where the 2026 Goldwing Trike truly shines. Traditional trikes often suffer from clunky steering and awkward cornering, but Honda has engineered a new independent rear suspension system specifically for this model. The setup provides a remarkably smooth ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections with ease while maintaining stability at high speeds. Up front, the Goldwing's double wishbone suspension design carries over, ensuring precise handling and reducing front-end dive under braking. Combined with Honda's advanced traction control and cornering ABS systems, the result is a machine that inspires confidence no matter the road conditions. Riders get the reassurance of three wheels planted firmly on the ground without sacrificing the responsive handling that the Goldwing name is known for. Comfort has always been the Goldwing's hallmark, and the Trike version elevates this to new heights. The rider's seat is wide, plush, and heated, designed for hours of fatigue-free riding. The passenger seat is equally luxurious, with a high backrest, armrests, and even heated seating options for chilly mornings. Honda has also equipped the Trike with a climate control ventilation system that directs airflow through the cockpit, helping to keep both rider and passenger comfortable in varying weather conditions. Long-distance rides are further enhanced by the integrated infotainment system, featuring a massive 10.25-inch full-color display with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and built-in navigation. Voice commands and handlebar-mounted controls make it easy to access music, calls, and maps without distraction, ensuring the ride remains enjoyable and safe. Storage capacity is another area where the Goldwing Trike excels. Touring riders demand space for gear, and Honda has delivered with over 150 liters of total cargo capacity. The rear trunk is spacious enough for multiple full-face helmets and luggage, while side compartments provide additional storage for essentials. The electronically locking storage system adds a layer of convenience and security, making packing for a weekend getaway or cross-country adventure completely hassle-free. Honda has also designed the luggage areas with weather sealing to ensure belongings stay dry even in heavy rain. Technology plays a huge role in setting this trike apart from competitors. Beyond the infotainment system, the 2026 Goldwing Trike features advanced rider assist technologies like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and even a lane departure warning system, features typically found in luxury automobiles rather than motorcycles. The adaptive cruise control uses radar sensors to maintain a safe distance from vehicles ahead, automatically adjusting speed when necessary. This feature alone makes highway touring less stressful and more enjoyable. The blind spot monitoring system uses visual alerts in the mirrors to warn riders of vehicles approaching from behind, while the lane departure system provides subtle vibrations to keep the trike safely positioned on the road. Honda has also included a tire pressure monitoring system to keep riders informed and reduce the risk of unexpected issues on long rides. Another key innovation is the trike's hybrid braking system. Unlike traditional motorcycles, which only rely on front and rear lever and pedal controls, the Goldwing Trike integrates an electronic braking distribution system that automatically balances braking force between the three wheels. This not only shortens stopping distances but also improves stability during emergency maneuvers. Coupled with large disc brakes and ABS, the result is a trike that feels remarkably secure and controlled under all braking conditions. This safety-first approach makes it an appealing choice for riders transitioning from cars or those who value confidence-inspiring performance. From a design perspective, Honda has also put significant emphasis on aerodynamics and rider ergonomics. The fairing and bodywork have been wind tunnel tested to reduce drag and turbulence, ensuring smooth airflow around both rider and passenger. The adjustable windscreen can be raised or lowered electronically, allowing riders to fine-tune wind protection at the push of a button. The handlebar placement, footrests, and seating position have all been ergonomically engineered to reduce strain on long rides, making the Goldwing Trike suitable for day-long journeys across state lines. LED lighting, including adaptive headlights that turn with the handlebars, ensures visibility at night and in adverse weather, enhancing both safety and aesthetics. What truly sets the 2026 Goldwing Trike apart is its ability to bridge the gap between motorcycle freedom and automobile comfort. It is a machine designed for those who may have once loved two-wheeled riding but now prefer the stability of three wheels, whether due to age, physical limitations, or simply a desire for enhanced safety. Yet, unlike many trikes on the market, this Honda feels purpose-built rather than adapted. Every detail, from the chassis to the suspension to the electronics, has been designed with three-wheel touring in mind. That sense of cohesion is something riders will notice immediately. It feels like a premium touring experience from start to finish, not a compromise. Of course, with all this luxury and innovation, the Goldwing Trike does come at a premium price point, but when compared to the cost of adding aftermarket trike kits to traditional motorcycles or purchasing luxury touring cars, the value becomes clear. You are essentially getting a long-distance touring machine with the comfort of a luxury car, the freedom of a motorcycle, and the stability of a three-wheeled platform. It's an investment in experiences, those